Wagwan, my people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support, respect. As you can see by the title, I am making saltfish and baked bean, quick and easy shakeout meal. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Yeah, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have the saltfish. I have it soaked overnight to get some of the salt out. So now I'm gonna boil the saltfish and then I'm gonna break them up into small pieces. So I already have my water on the fire boiling. So I'm just gonna add the saltfish to that. So saltfish and baked bean is gonna be an easy and fast recipe. Here I have the saltfish already cooked and I just break them up in small pieces. So it's time to make my saltfish and baked bean. Here I have scallion, onion, garlic, tomato, bell pepper, hot pepper, and I have them already prepped and ready to start the process. And here I have a can of baked bean, some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. Quick and easy recipe. I have my skillet on the fire and I'm adding some oil to that. So as soon as the oil heated up, I'm just adding my onion and my garlic to the oil. Just sauteing this down a little. Now I'm coming in with my tomato, my scallion, bell pepper, thyme, and tomato. So I'm just sauteing this down and now I'm adding the saltfish to that. And the tomato gonna spring some juice. So it's time to add the baked bean. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Here I'm adding some black pepper and now I'm adding some fish seasoning to this. Yes, guys, this smells so good in here. Saltfish and baked bean, easy shakeout meal. And guys, I'm going to be serving this with some cornmeal dumpling. Yeah, man. So I just had a hot pepper to that. I did not cut the pepper up because I don't want it too spicy. But yes, guys, saltfish and baked bean, I love it. One of my easy shakeout meal. Yeah. Just have your saltfish soak out because that's the hardest part of it, to soak out the salt. So you just soak the salt out, or if you don't have the time to soak your saltfish out, you can soak it a little in some vinegar. Yes, vinegar and lemon water, and it will take the salt out. Yes, guys. So here I'm sharing out a plate of saltfish and baked bean, guys. Look at it. It look delicious, not true? Yes, it look good. And over on the other side, look, you see me put 2 dumplings beside some saltfish over there, so. Yes, see my plate over there, so there. Saltfish and baked bean with dumpling. Yeah, man. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Guidance. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more.
Sista, the food tastes nice, Scallion, Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them.